fresh snow. Listen to the crunch. Wow.
I'm surprised the lake hasn't frozen over, guys.
Wow.
Wow, the lake's actually not frozen over.
This is our first ever snow.
Look at all those vehicles, guys.
So pretty. Don't go too close. Don't get right there. Que te dije, vamos.
Wow, that water must be cold.
Look how deep.
It's actually pretty.
It's so pretty.
Wait, I want to do something.
Instead of skipping rocks, you're skipping ice.
Yep.
Put your your mask over. There you
Oh,
go.
yeah. Wow.
Let's go see how the car did.
Yeah, let's go see how the car did, guys.
Oh my gosh, look, if you step in, really deep.
It's like two snow angels.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I can't wait for more snowball.
It's so beautiful out here, guys.
How can you see your breath when it's snowing?
You can't look. You have a hat on, that's why. It's so cold out here.
My hands
It's so beautiful.
are freezing from my mittens.
It's like a winter wonderland.
Yeah.
And I have a white car, so see if we can find it. Dude. Are you making a snowball?
Yep.
Your first snowball.
Oh, man.
You gotta make it a little tighter than that.
Well, at least all these white cars.
Look, you can't even see the sidewalk. Don't run. Oh my god. My poor baby.
Look, it's frozen. Wow. Man.
Yeah, we're not going anywhere.
Well, at least I can
Look, where's the sidewalk? It's like totally gone over here.
Yeah, everything's so good.
Wow.
No.
Stop, because you're going to get your hands all wet and you're not going to be able to do snowballs. Put your hands in your pockets. So this is our very first snow. You guys, so we're in the middle of a winter Arctic storm and it just stopped snowing. So we're out exploring and checking things out and we're about to attack Kai with a snowball. Shh. Okay.
Actually, everybody's out here, Mom. Oh, not how you make a snowball.
I'm not making a snowball. Trying to figure out what this is.
It's snow.
No, there's something in it. Snow! It's sticking to my hands. Look. Let's go over here where it's fresh.
I think my hands are ice.
Icicles? I know, it's frozen.
Oh.
We don't have the appropriate gloves for this. So we can try round 2, guys, okay? If you know how to snowball, comment down below. We're from Texas, we don't know how to snowball. You can run, but you can't hide.
You got it in my back.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
Oh.
He's freezing to death now. Oh.
You're gonna pay.
He thinks he can catch me.
You got a nice snowball, eh?
You can't catch me because you have to actually touch the snow.
It kind of burns though.
I know, it's because it's so cold. I can't run, it's slippery.
Mine's burnt.
Be careful, it's slippery.
Oh, my fingers are burning.
Okay. We're gonna go inside and take a break because we need to change our gloves. They're frozen to death, right?
Yeah, let's go check the gloves.
It's snowing from the sky right now.
Quick, come on, let's
This is Quinn's first snow.
And we couldn't find her sweater, so we had to do this to her because
Yeah, I don't know where her sweater
we
is.
left it at my Nana's house by accident.
She likes it. Look, she doesn't care.
Wait, she actually doesn't care if it's cold or not.
She's like, I just want to be outside, guys. What is this? What is this? Bring her over here. It's snowing.
Yeah, it actually is snowing. It looks like a tiny little.
It's flurry.
It does look. Another dog. Quinn, look. Another dog, girl. Look, they like this.
She's like, I don't know about this, guys. It's getting cold.
I know that your feet are
It's like
freezing.
it's getting really cold out here, guys. I'm gonna go inside. Go pee-pees.
Go pee-pee, Quinn. It's gonna be like this.
He said, nope.
Okay.
Take me inside.
No.
That's not your house.
No.
What's your favorite thing about the snow?
That it's never snowed before.
You excited?
Yep. I want to make snow angels so bad.
Let's see if we can find a big enough place to do it.
Yeah.
But
cool.
you'd have to run home because you'll get soaking wet.
No.
Yeah. See, I think the lake's not gonna freeze because it has a fountain that keeps running.
Well, you don't know if it's hot or cold though.
It's freezing. You know that water is freezing.
Yeah.
I bet we could probably find somewhere to make a snow angel in the back, maybe.
I'm running.
Don't run. It's icy. It's starting to like have snow flurries and get really windy. It's supposed to storm again, so we don't have a lot of time before we have to get inside. It's 19 degrees. Feels like 6. Oh, let's look over here. That looks like a good hiding spot.
No, that, ooh.
Oh, I just got a snowflake up my nose.
Ew.
You see it in the wind? It's blowing off the roofs. Oh my gosh, it's getting windy. Oh my gosh. Can you hear our snow crunching? That's ice. Get off of it. It's from water.
Is there supposed to be water right here?
Something got wet here last night. It's a sheet of ice under there.
Wait, I see some water.
Don't get on there. Why is it yellow? Yellow snow? That must be where the dogs pee. Go on. Look. It's like powdered sugar. Alright guys, so we're looking for a place to make a snow angel before we gotta go inside from the weather. It's freezing, our hands are burning and everything. Look how thick it is.
It is very thick.
He's sledding.
But I really want to do a snow angel.
Oh, there's ice under the snow. Where the footprints are. Don't step on the ice. That's crazy. There's ice under the snow. Okay, this is a good spot right here to make a snow angel. Just lay down. Do it.
Okay. This is the first time ever.
Look. Wow. Look at you. Let me see your back. Oh my gosh. Let's get you inside. Come on. It's snowing. Oh.
Come on.
In my face.
Can we go inside somebody's house to get the water?
Hey guys, that's it for us. We're gonna run inside and get warm. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Run, go.
Ah. Oh, outside and see the snow? Nope. Okay. Are you hiding from the snow? I'm not gonna put you outside. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna make you go in the cold. I know. You just little bitties. You can come look. You wanna come look? You can look out the window. Come on. You can look. I open it a little bit. You wanna look out? Yeah. It's snowing. You wanna go see? You wanna go see the snow? Yeah, you wanna go see the snow? Yeah, I'm not falling for that, Mommy. I'm not going up there. It's cold. Oh, my love. Go see it. Look. I'm opening the door. You can go outside. It's okay. What is that stuff? What is it?